I think I was around 12 years old, me and my mom and my brother, and we were moving to a new house. And my mom was like, well, we're gonna start a garden. Do you wanna help? And I was like, sure. She started taking me to nurseries to look at plants, and she started letting me pick out stuff that I thought was cool. Then when I went to college, somewhere along the way, I heard someone say something about horticulture, and I was like, my favorite hobby, that could be a career, couldn't it? I get so much joy providing a space for people to come and relax, be inspired, whatever it is, whatever reason they're coming for, to people that otherwise wouldn't have access to amazing outdoor green spaces like this one.